Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring plants that keep flies away from your garden. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is one of the most popular plants worldwide, admired for its stunning purple blooms and calming fragrance that has been used for centuries in oils, teas, and even household products. Beyond its beauty, this herb is famous for its natural insect-repelling qualities, keeping mosquitoes, flies, and even moths at bay. Gardeners also appreciate that it's hardy and drought-tolerant once established, which makes it a practical choice for low-maintenance gardens. Because it thrives in sunny, well-drained soil, lavender is both decorative and functional, making it an ideal beginner plant. Care tips. 1. Water only when the soil feels dry. 2. Give it 6+ hours of sun daily. 3. Prune after flowering to keep it neat. Number 2. Basil. Basil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's also a strong natural insect repellent. Its powerful aroma confuses and deters mosquitoes and flies, making it perfect for placing near doors, patios, or windows. For beginners, basil is one of the easiest herbs to grow, either in garden beds or in pots on a sunny windowsill. As an added bonus, you'll always have fresh leaves on hand for cooking, which means this plant offers both flavor and function in your garden. Care tips. 1. Pinch off flowers to grow more leaves. 2. Keep soil slightly moist. 3. Harvest often to encourage new growth. Number 3. Mint. Mint is a refreshing herb that doubles as a natural insect deterrent, especially against flies, ants, and mosquitoes. Its strong scent masks odors that typically attract pests, creating a natural protective barrier around your home or garden. While mint is incredibly easy to grow, it's also known for spreading quickly, which is why many gardeners recommend growing it in containers. With just a little care, mint rewards beginners with a steady supply of fragrant leaves for teas, cooking, and freshening up spaces. Care tips. 1. Grow in containers to control spreading. 2. Keep soil evenly moist. 3. Trim regularly to keep it bushy. Number 4. Marigolds. Marigolds are cheerful, golden flowers that not only brighten up a garden but also help repel flies, aphids, and even some nematodes. Their strong scent is particularly effective in masking odors that attract pests, making them a natural defense line in vegetable gardens. They are very beginner-friendly as they tolerate poor soils and don't require much beyond sunlight and occasional watering. Planting marigolds in borders or pots gives you both a pop of color and natural pest protection. Care tips. 1. Deadhead spent flowers for more blooms. 2. Water at the base, not on leaves. 3. Give them full sun daily. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is a versatile plant loved for its culinary uses and its natural ability to repel flies and mosquitoes. The strong, pine-like fragrance acts as a deterrent to insects while filling your garden or patio with a refreshing scent. It's especially useful in pots near outdoor seating areas, where its aroma can be enjoyed while keeping pests away. For beginners, rosemary is a low-maintenance plant that thrives in sunny, dry conditions, making it easy to grow both indoors and outdoors. Care tips. 1. Water deeply, but let soil dry between waterings. 2. Place in the sunniest spot available. 3. Trim stems to promote fresh growth. Number 6. Tansy. Tansy has been used since ancient times as a natural insect repellent thanks to its strong, somewhat bitter aroma. Its bright yellow button-like flowers make it an attractive addition to the garden while discouraging flies and other pests. Although hardy and easy to grow, tansy can spread aggressively if planted directly in the ground, so beginners may prefer to keep it in containers. With minimal care, it provides long-lasting blooms and a natural pest barrier. Care tips. 1. Plant in containers to control spreading. 2. Water sparingly. Tansy doesn't like soggy soil. 3. Cut back after blooming to keep tidy. Number 7. Chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums, often called mums, are popular for their bright blooms and their natural pest-repelling powers. They contain pyrethrin, a compound used in many natural insect repellents, which makes them especially effective against flies, mosquitoes, and even roaches. For beginners, mums are rewarding because they bloom vibrantly in late summer and fall, adding a splash of color when most plants are fading. Hardy and reliable, they are a beautiful way to enjoy both a lively garden and natural insect control. Care tips. 1. Pinch stems early for fuller blooms. 2. Water at soil level to avoid leaf disease. 3. Mulch in winter to protect roots. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best plants that keep flies away from your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!